Well, spring is coming up fast, and I've got a couple patches of land I'm gonna dig out and replant. There's a 30-year-old lemon verbena in this corner, and this soil is pretty hard, so I'm using this big steel breaker bar to chop it up.
Put the mints in. Let's get it dug.
All cleaned out and ready to go. I'm gonna start by planting a few kinds of mints. This one's an orange mint, sweet and great for eating. They call this variety the best mint. Perfect for a mint julep. And one more, a spicy peppermint off in the corner. I am looking forward to these guys taking over soon. The beets are looking great, and they've got some daffodil friends. And before the mint goes too out of control, I'm gonna put a couple more buddies over here. Dropping in a cilantro, it's an annual, so it'll finish up in not too long, a couple of months. And we're gonna put in a curly leaf parsley. I'm always on the lookout for some new delicious herbs to add to my garden. So I'm gonna be throwing in an English thyme in this corner, right next to the French thyme and the lemon thyme. It's a thyme corner. Now one more patch to clean out, and my good friend the Nico came to help. The crabgrass is pretty strong in these sunnier patches of the garden, so we're doing a full dig out. Take it out root by root. Shiny and clean. I'm gonna put in a couple more summer-like vegetables here. Tomatoes, cucumbers, a little bit of basil. Got a Roma tomato here. Hope to make some nice sauces out of that. And a sweet 100 tiny little cherry tomatoes. Gonna put in a jalapeno pepper right here. Little spice in your life.
Close to that. I don't think so. Cherokee purple.
Got a little more space, so we're gonna put a purple Cherokee tomato. A nice heirloom variety for slicing. A large leaf Italian basil is what's a good tomato without a good basil. Putting in a shiso here, or perilla. I've got this nice cage to hold up these Japanese cucumbers. Spring is here, and the peaches are blooming. The biwa or loquat set fruit, and what do you know, you wait a couple of weeks, and look what you get. Egyptian onions, big old tomato bushes, on the way. I built this cover for one of the ponds to keep the mulberries from falling in it. Works pretty good. And would you look at that, strawberries? This guy is absolutely perfect. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.